I'm not sure what it is about the water that draws people to it, but there is something about standing on a beach and just staring off into the horizon, dreaming about something better. This happens even during the best of times. But when times are tough, where the chaos of life gets in the way of all that is good, the horizons of life can get very clouded, and the search for hope can be difficult. These structures are called jetties and were built along the Lake Michigan shoreline to combat erosion. But I couldn't help but notice that they were uniquely identical and built for a common purpose. Yet they seemed to be searching for something. They seemed to be lining the shoreline, looking out toward the horizon, as if waiting for something or someone to fulfill their purpose. Even though the fog was hanging over them, veiling their vision, they still knew, instinctively perhaps, where to look for the horizon. They knew that hope was out there somewhere, and they knew their hope would come. They were seeking fulfillment.